Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you all to my session. So let's read our question. It says that a positive point charge plus Q is kept in the vicinity of an uncharged conducting plate. Sketch electric field lines originating from the point on the surface of the plate. And then we have to derive the expression for the electric field at the surface of a charged conductor. So when we are going to have a point positive charge, so let's take this as a charge, then the electric field lines are going to emerge from this charge in such a way that it is going to be symmetrical around a sphere. So if this is going to be our conducting plate, then a process of induction will take place and the plate gets negative charge in this direction. It is going to be inside the plate as of course, and when this is going to be negatively charged, the other end is going to be positively charged. And then the electric field lines are going to emerge out of this plate like this. So this is the arrangement of the electric field lines around this plate. Now we have to derive an expression to find the electric field due to a point charge. For that we have to consider a point charge plus Q placed at the origin O. So we are going to make axis. So let this be X, Y and the Z axis. So there is going to be a charge Q that is placed at origin. Let Q naught be any test charge placed at P. So we are taking any test charge Q naught that is placed at point P, and it is going to be at a distance of R naught from the charge Q. So taking it in vector form, it is going to be like this. So that's the direction of the force experienced on this test charge Q naught. According to Coulomb's law, force on the test charge Q naught due to the charge Q is given by F, which is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by R square, or we can say R naught square into R naught, that is the unit vector. So R naught here is the unit vector along OP. Let E be the electric field at point P, then E is given by F by Q naught. So putting the value of F, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by R naught square, R naught unit vector into 1 upon Q naught. So the value of E comes out to be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R naught square into R naught, the unit vector. So this unit vector just gives us the direction of the electric field at the point P. Considering just the magnitude, E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R naught. So that's the value of electric field. Also remember that this electric field is spherically symmetric about the charge. So this is how we are supposed to do this derivation. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.